bright colors flatter only young women. No miniskirts after 40. Fashion trends? This will make you look ridiculous. Grow up, darling. Women of your age should be two things: classy and elegant. And most important, dress appropriate for your age. Sorry, but with how many of these taboos we are bombarded every single day, whether it's on YouTube, from the fashion experts, from people we barely even know. So what do? We start to play it safe, dressing and looking dull and ordinary, and even worse, feeling exactly the same way, mediocre. And this attitude is exactly what makes us look older than we are. I think it's time to break free from all the stereotypes and stop hiding behind appropriate clothes, but rather embrace your age and finally allow yourself to look and feel as fabulous as you never did before. And this video is a step-by-step plan how to do it, so watch it till the end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every week, which means lots of style tips, inspiration and motivation, all to help you not only curate your wardrobe, but also embrace your unique body and personality and express it through your personal style. And also please follow me on Instagram to stay in touch and to get even more style tips and tricks on a daily basis. One of the most common fashion myths I see a lot in fashion media and hear a lot from my clients is that bright, bold colors don't flatter you as you age. But let me tell you, it's simply not true, and I'll explain you why. So color values such as contrast and saturation that define whether color suits you or not are not age sensitive. It is all about your natural coloring. And here goes another myth. Your color type does not change as you get older because it is all based on your genetics. Your skin undertone, the natural color of your hair and eyebrows, the color of your eyes. And last time I checked, these features don't change as you age. You may have high contrast and bold features, and in this case you can effortlessly pull all the brights together and look absolutely fabulous in them. Or you may have softer coloring like I do, which means you need to adjust brights and bold colors to your coloring by adding neutrals to them and toning them down a little bit. Take a look at this outfit. I'm sporting a vibrant red striped cardigan paired with blue jeans, both from the fashion brand named Goelia, which I'm going to tell you all about in a minute. This combo is very bright and youthful, featuring red, blue and white. However, the magic happens because the red is mixed with white in the pattern and in the tank top I'm wearing underneath. This creates a bold and eye-catching accent without overpowering my soft coloring. To keep things balanced, I've added white trainers from Adidas to match the white on top. And for neutral touch, I've thrown a khaki Celine shoulder bag, which adds a contemporary and fresh twist to the outfit, making it less coordinated and more modern. And here is a quick style tip for you. Adding a classic Breton stripe instantly updates your wardrobe and gives your style a modern edge. And I mean, Coco Chanel was definitely onto something when she fell in love with sailor's wear, because it's such an effortless and timeless pattern that suits everyone and effortlessly combines a relaxed yet chic look. And here's another example of how to style red in a more dressed up manner. In this look, I'm wearing a red coat layered over an off-white suit. You can see how the neutral white softens the bold red. If you're not quite ready to go all in with bold colors, don't worry. Pair them with your neutrals from the wardrobe and you'll still achieve a stylish and contemporary look while feeling confident that the color won't overwhelm you. And if you can't quite relate with my look, I would highly recommend you to have a look at the biggest style icon in her 70s, my favorite, Mae Musk, who is not only the definition of impeccable statement style, but also a true red lover. You see her wearing a lot of red, and the way she pulls it together is by adding red lipstick. It harmonizes her face with her outfit, making her look absolutely fabulous in red. I know I'm a little bit obsessed with red, not only because it's the biggest trend of the season, but mainly because this color really pushes you to step out of the comfort zone and gives you this energy and confidence to be bold, creative, to be unique and to be noticed. And talking about looking fabulous at every age, a big part of it is of course nailing this perfect fit and silhouette that suits your height and your figure shape. And guess what? I have something special for you. I've put together a personalized style portfolio packed with very straightforward, easy and practical tips that will definitely allow you and help you to look your best. To get your hands on, simply click the link under this video. It's here with these cool arrows. It's absolutely for free. Just answer 2 simple questions about your height and your figure shape, and it will land immediately in your inbox. Inside this style portfolio, you will find an illustrated in-depth guide breaking down the most winning silhouettes for you per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear. Also, I have included outfit formulas for different occasions, again for different body shapes. It's a perfect and very practical tool to go shopping or declutter your existing wardrobe. So don't forget to go to the link under this video, answer 2 simple questions, get the guide and start your style journey. There is another quite common age-related myth that you've probably heard a lot, is that as you're getting older, you need to dress more conservative. The hemlines should get longer, less cleavage, this cover-up approach towards so-called age-sensitive areas, the arms, the neck, God forbid the stomach. But I'm about to challenge this approach. As a woman, I want to feel feminine and attractive, and this desire doesn't fade with years rolled by. On the contrary, I want to look and feel fabulous even more than I did in my younger years. And you know why? Because back then, in my 20s and 30s, I didn't truly allow myself to believe that I'm good enough. I was so much concerned about my body, my face, what other people think or say about me. But the only thing that matters to me now is how I feel about myself. And I finally embraced the fact that I'm far from being perfect, but I'm definitely worth it to feel super confident and hot. Believe it or not, it's the first time in my life that I've decided to embrace the miniskirt. My legs won't get any longer and those spider veins aren't going anywhere, but here I am confidently rocking a miniskirt. Instead of crossing it off my style list, I have found a way to make it work for my age and body. I have opted for an elegant 2-piece suit from Goelia, paired with very sheer 15 denier ties and silver sling bags. I have added a trendy half-moon bag from the row to give the suit a contemporary and bold edge, and just like that, my look is ready. Don't take me wrong, I'm not saying that everyone should wear a mini now. The point I'd like to make is that you can still allow yourself to go for shorter hemlines and flaunt your legs despite your age. And here are 3 very easy, straightforward steps to looking elegant and appropriate in shorter skirts. Find your perfect length, the one that stops right where the contour of your legs narrows down. It could be a true mini, slightly above the knee, or just below the knee. Choose the length that works for you. If you're not feeling entirely confident about your skin for whatever reason, opt for tights underneath. You can go for transparent 15 denier tights or thicker 16+ opaque ones with mini skirts. Balance out the silhouette with an elegant, loosely fitted jacket or top, and complete the look with short heels or flats. These 2 elements will instantly elevate your style, add class and elegance, and ensure your silhouette is harmonious in terms of proportions. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video, fashion brand called Goelia, which I already told you about some time ago in my video about old money style. As you know, I'm a big fan of this brand. Their core belief is to be responsible for every single detail. And indeed, when you touch and wear their pieces, you really feel the difference. From high quality fabrics to detail to every single seam and stitching, everything is so much thought through and taken care of. What makes this brand really special is their wide range of timeless wardrobe staples. So with just a few well-chosen pieces, you can create a compact yet such a diverse, versatile wardrobe. So there is absolutely no need for massive collection to stay current and up to date. As usual, I'm gonna share all the styles I'm wearing in this video, as well as the sizes and a special promo code for any of your purchases in the info box, so please don't forget to check it out after watching this video. Another way to modernize your classic outfit to make it more current and sexy is by adding a crop top or a bustier, or use the underwear as a part of your outfit while keeping the rest fully covered. In this outfit, you see a very classic combination, textured jacket and pleated black trousers, both from Goelia. And I really felt like spicing up this outfit to make it more statement and bring some sexiness to it. So I wore a sports bra underneath. The contrast between classic elegant pieces and more modern accessories, sports bra, metallic pumps and patent leather tote, makes the whole combination feel so modern, fresh and quite unexpected. And guess what? You can easily swap the bra for a crop turtleneck top to dial down the sexiness a bit. In this case, it's the subtle detail of the cropped hemline of the top, revealing just a hint of skin that makes the look more modern and fresh. And of course, if you're not entirely comfortable showing your stomach, you can opt for a bustier top or bodysuit to create an intriguing and sexy look without exposing too much. Another fashion taboo or fashion rule that we have learned in our childhood and continue to follow as adult women is coordinating shoes with accessories. And here is a surprise. Sticking to this rule is exactly what can make your outfit look outdated, super serious and overly mature. Just because we grow up doesn't mean that we should leave no room for creativity, especially when it comes to accessorizing your outfit. To show you out-of-the-box styling, I went for this outfit, which I'm wearing quite a lot recently. It's so easy, relaxed and yet stylish and fun. I paired white jeans with striped zip sweater from Goelia. I really hope no one follows no white after Labor Day rule. And I added beautiful chocolate brown trench coat from Goelia to elevate my look. Pardon me, but black and brown don't go together. In fact, it's a very stylish combination if you know how to pull it together. And it's by adding neutral color to it. In this case, it's crisp white. It's just perfect because it creates very high contrast combination and highlights two deep shades, black and brown. And now to shoes and accessories. I paired Adidas trainers with lower raffia tote. Yes, exactly. Totally uncoordinated, yet it works, making the entire look so fresh, vivid, and adding a touch of Parisian chic to it. And there goes another style tip. If you want to update your looks, don't be afraid to mismatch shoes and accessories. That's the whole point of it. Baseball cap with sling bags, raffia tote with cowboy boots, trainers with evening clutch. This will instantly modernize your outfit, making you look current, stylish, and just fun. Another style taboo that is promoted to us quite often is that fashion trends are only for younger women. Really? I personally look at fashion trends the same like I look at any other news from other fields. Staying up to date and being conscious about fashion trends allows us not only to avoid mispurchases and buying items that are no more in style, but also gives us confidence to update and curate our wardrobe and keep our style cool, current and up to date. And there is this fantastic hack I'm about to share with you that allows you to adapt any of the fashion trends you see out there, the one that speaks to you, to your personal style. Have a look at this outfit. I'm wearing gorgeous black coat and turtleneck, both from Goelia. It's a wool silk blend, classic straight fit, timeless black color, really perfect wardrobe staples. Yet in this combination, it looks too ordinary and total black is definitely too harsh for my natural coloring, making me look strict and overly mature. However, I can easily elevate this outfit using the hack called trend injection. To look current and stylish, you don't need to wear a trend head to toe. You can just inject one trendy item to update your look without changing the core of it. I decided to go for one of my favorite trends this season, scarf wrapping, and accessorized my outfit with one trendy accessory, which is a big checked scarf cinched with a patent leather belt. I added a big tote and black sunglasses to complete my look, and there you go, from ordinary and boring to stylish and trendy, just by injecting one statement accessory. And as a trend injection can also use any statement seasonal item, shoes, or even color or finish. For example, this season you can experiment with oversized motto jacket, cargo trousers, red color, or denim on denim. And by the way, all these fabulous outfits you see on the screen
is another inspiration I'd like to share with you today. It's a 50-year-old Renia Jazz who is one of the most inspiring influencers in terms of adapting trends and customizing them for her figure and style, looking absolutely fabulous and cool in trendy clothes at her age. And another look to show you how trend injection works. I went for the same base, which is black turtleneck and leggings, and as a trend injection, I went for beautiful puffer jacket from Goelia. Puffer jackets are really big this season. However, instead of going for this trend full mode as suggested on the catwalks, I just injected one item and mixed it with my black timeless staples. This way, I stayed true to myself, to my personal style, which is minimalistic and elegant, yet updated my look with current trend.
And the last style myth I'm about to challenge today is that as you get older, you need to invest only in designers' clothes and premium brands. I had a client once who was 53 years old, and she told me that after several attempts going shopping on High Street with her daughter to Zara and H&M, she gave up because she came to the conclusion that she looks good only in designers' clothes. Quite a statement, isn't it? The real value, regardless of any age, lies in your ability of mixing and matching designer items with non-designer pieces. Dressing in designer clothes head to toe can make you look quite dull and, as a result, more mature. Keep your timeless designer staples and mix and blend them with current high street items, just as many influencers do.
To show you the example how you can look chic and classy without going brands head to toe, I put this outfit together. Here I'm wearing high street brands, really head to toe, leather trousers, turtleneck, shoes, all are below $50. And to elevate my look, I went for gorgeous tweed jacket from Goelia, which has this slightly military vibe, yet looks very elegant and classy. To upgrade my look, I accessorize it with designer belt, bag and sunglasses. I think you'd all agree that overall, this outfit looks classy and chic. However, the only thing that is expensive here is accessories. It's also a great way I use all the time to always look chic without spending some huge budget on clothes. Just invest in a couple statement belts, bag, one good sunglasses, timeless jewelry to finish up your look, and shop the rest at affordable brands.
Voila, that's it for today. I really hope that this video was not only useful, but also inspiring and motivating for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about age-appropriate style and all the fashion myths. I'm really curious to hear you out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!